Okay, so now we'll start with the Selenium testing. We'll first check for the registration test. The first, it is testing for the false case scenarios. Now it is checking for the false case scenarios for login. Now it is testing for login successful. It is logging in as every user once and verifying content on the home page. This is the test case for the view profile. Now we'll run Selenium test cases for admin. First it will check for the view specific profile false case scenario. Now it will check for the view specific profile successful scenario. Now it will test for change user role false case scenario. It is now testing for change user role successful scenario. Now it will check for view all users. It will verify headers and contents. Now it will check for edit profile. Now it will check for editing a specific profile. Now it will test for view your user's radio button false check. These were all admin test cases. Now let's check for the user. So first it will check for all the report problems false scenarios. Now it is testing for report problem successful scenario. Now it is testing for view list of ML. It will check for header and content. Now we'll test some of the functions of facility manager. We'll first successfully register facility manager. Now using the same registered facility manager, we'll log in and view the unassigned ML, verify its content and headers. And the third test would be to check all the false case scenarios for assigning an unassigned ML. There's the test to check assigning an unassigned ML successful. Now we'll test for the search repair by date. It will verify header contents. The same thing we'll do for the repairer schedule. It will verify its header and contents. Now we'll view assigned list and we'll verify all the headers. Now we'll check for the content and view assigned list. Here we'll have two more tests that will check for all repairs. One for the header and another one for the content. Now let's check for the other facility manager functions. So first it will check for the report problem false case scenarios. Now we'll check for the report problem successful scenario. Now we'll view the list of ML and verify its content and header. Now we'll see the false case scenario for search ML. Now we'll test a successful scenario for search ML. We'll now have a test for view specific ML. And we'll test for edit ML. Now we'll see some remaining facility manager functions. The first one is to view available facility by type. It will verify its header and content as well. The next one is the view available facility by date. Now we'll view available facility by time. We'll test add a new facility. I will verify headers for view facility. We will now verify contents of view facility. We will now edit a facility. We will now have a false radio check for view facility list. Now that we have checked all the facility manager functions, we'll check the repairer functions. The first one is to view assigned repairs. Now we'll test for the selected repair. Now we'll modify our selected repair. And the last, we'll delete our reserved repair. We have done with the Selenium testing for all the users and the registration. This is the project hierarchy. We have all the controllers data model in source folder, the JUnit and Selenium test file in test with all of CSV. We have one function file for all the Selenium testing and one snapshot function.java file in the functions folder. We have used shared UI map.properties inside shared UI map folder and the configuration properties inside configuration folder. All the screenshots from the Selenium testing are inside the screenshot folder with method name underscore test case number, and all the JSPs are inside the web content.